Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to block a number. So at first, open your phone dialer, tap on More icon and go to Settings. Here you will notice blocked numbers, and now you can smoothly block all unknown colors if you wish by using the stop switcher. Then you can reverse this option by tapping on the switcher one more time, and also you can block a number here. So just click on block a number, and now provide the number that you wish to block. And that's it. As you can see, it has been blocked. You can also block some particular contact of yours. Smoothly pick the one, tap on More icon, and then set block numbers to block your contact. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.